So we've got a bottomed out bolt and an aluminum bracket on a steering damper. So we're going to protect the steering damper. I've got the shaft all the way in, so there won't be any splatter that'll go on it. I'm going to use a nut, sit it there, and weld around it. I've already got my wrench ready so I can crack it off once it's hot. Alright, let's see if this piece of ground wire is going to be able to sustain the currents for a few minutes as I weld this onto place. Nice and hot. Gonna move. That didn't work. So I've got a ground here. What I'm going to try to do is just build up on this bolt here, so hopefully I can put enough material that I can actually use the vice grips and turn it, and hopefully that heat is also going to warm up the broken threads and release it. Let that cool down a little bit. We'll have enough heat through that for it to release.
Come on, you can do it. Move already.
Let's see if that's enough of a booger to pull it off with a vice grip. So that last goober weld held well. And I think the secret to the success was the fact that I used a bolt on this end so that the current was flowing through the aluminum piece to the bolt. And I put a lot of crud in there. Just want to make sure that there was a lot of heat so that whatever was caught in here would do a little bit of expansion. So I'm pretty happy that there's no tarnish to the finish, and the reason for that is that whenever I was using it in the vise, I was using plastic inserts on the vise. So if this happens to you, good luck, try the same thing, and definitely want to have a path of current through the piece to get rid of all that crud. Thanks for watching.